Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna do a summer work lookbook featuring Banana Republic factory store, and all shirts featured in this video are from Banana Republic. The bottoms are from ASOS and H&M. It's a mixture. The sizes, all tops are in extra small, all bottoms are in size 6. And yeah, if you like this type of video, subscribe. What are you waiting for? It is free. I hope you guys enjoy this little video. Let's get right into it. So I had to come back and give you my 2 cents on the Banana Republic shirts. They are great quality. I absolutely love them. They're light and airy. I have no complaints whatsoever. And yeah, if you can get yourself some, I suggest you get yourself some.